I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in a Ford Explorer. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin. Gather your essential tools, including an AC recharge kit, a pressure gauge, and a thermometer. Having these items ready will ensure a smooth and safe process. Always consult your vehicle's manual for specific instructions. Now let's find the low-pressure AC service port. In most Ford Explorers, it's on the passenger side, often marked with an L cap. Before connecting, take a moment to clean the port thoroughly to prevent any debris from entering the system. Once clean, firmly attach the recharge kit's hose to this low-pressure port. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection. With the hose connected, start your engine and set the AC to its coldest, highest fan speed. Begin adding the refrigerant by slowly squeezing the trigger on the can. Shake the can gently every 15 seconds to ensure even distribution. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge on your kit. It's crucial not to overfill the system, which can cause damage. Stop when the gauge reads within the recommended range. After recharging, check your AC's performance by feeling the air from the vents. You should notice a significant drop in temperature, ideally around 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit cooler. Once satisfied, carefully disconnect the recharge kit from the low-pressure port and securely replace the cap. Your AC should now be blowing cold air again. For other great deals and to learn more about the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.